In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Grock AI without an account. 2026. Step by step. You don't need to sign in or create anything to follow along. Open your browser and go to grock.com. You should land on a clean chat interface that's ready to use right away. If you ever see a prompt to log in, just look for the option to continue without signing in. The idea here is quick access with zero setup. Let's start by using the main chat. Click in the large text box at the bottom of the page, the space where you write your prompt. Type a clear request, like summarize this topic in 3 bullet points or explain this in simple terms. The more specific you are, the better the response. Mention any constraints you care about, such as tone, audience, or output format, then press enter to submit. You'll see the answer appear in the conversation thread, and you can immediately follow up with clarifying questions. If you want Grock to analyze something you already have, use File Upload. On the left side of the prompt area, click the pin icon to attach files. This is great for documents, images, or other common formats you want explained or summarized. After uploading, describe what you need, like extract key dates, generate action items, or rewrite this more clearly. Avoid adding anything sensitive. Only upload materials you're comfortable sharing. Prefer talking instead of typing? Click voice chat. Your browser may ask to use your microphone. Allow access so Grock can hear you. Speak naturally. Pause when you want it to respond, and review the on-screen transcript to make quick corrections or follow-ups. Voice chat is handy when you're multitasking or thinking out loud. For a different tone or viewpoint, pick persona. Personas adjust the style and perspective of the responses while keeping the facts on track. Choose one that matches your goal, concise, creative, or more analytical, and you can switch back to the default at any time. To generate images, click Imagine. Describe exactly what you want, including subject, style, lighting, colors, and any framing details. If the first image isn't quite right, refine your description and try again. Small tweaks like adding mood, camera angle, or era can make a big difference. When you need deeper research, click Deep Search. This runs a more thorough web lookup and surfaces findings with source links so you can verify information. Skim the summaries, open the citations for context.